This is Project Chief, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. The Chief is painted in full gloss British racing green with black accents all around. Chief sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point external cage, classic front bumper, panoramic glass roof, and 2 LED round spotlights at the rear. Inside, the Chief features a Momo Indywood steering wheel with all-American nickel gauges, 2 Recaro orthoped front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a square Spinnybeck brown leather stitched together in brown. This 110 is powered by our 6.2 LS3 engine with 5-speed manual transmission. Project Chief also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.